Hi guys, so today I want us to see common mistake people make in Excel. Basically here we have our Excel sheet. I'll say mostly you find that most people tend to merge cell the normal way, whereby they highlight cells. You find by highlighting the cells, let's see, highlight, then control. I'll highlight also this one, and again this one. So you find that most people tend to come and merge in center. So this is a good way, but if you're trying to do calculation, this is not a good option. Because let's say I want to auto sum all of this. So I'll just come, do auto sum. I select now from here, but now you see when I want to auto sum all of them, when it reaches here, it selects all the cells. That's why I'll not advise on that. So what I'll do, I'll just undo to return the document how it was before the unmerging. After that, now I'll show you the best way to do it. So you'll find that I will highlight, control, I highlight all this, so meaning I select. By holding control, I'm able to select the ones that I want to merge. Then I'll come here, alignment, I'll click, and then I'll say center across, selection, then okay. So like that, you're able to see it is centered across the selection, whereby if I highlight this one, it will just pick automatic. Then let's say I want to auto sum it by highlighting and then auto sum. You're able to see it's able to highlight the same way. I can use the other auto sum. I'm able to highlight all of this. So that's how you do it.